Alex Realty. Got a new chicken farm coming to the market. Wanted to bring you some information. This particular farm features 7 houses. It's also on about 20 acres to be determined by an actual survey. Come with me, let's take a look around. This particular farm, of the 7 houses that's on it, 4 of them are 43 by 500s, wood construction with drop ceilings. There is one 40 by 400, one 32 by 380, and one 40 by 250. It puts a total production square footage at 124,180 square feet. It has chore time feeders, chore time water lines, and Choretronics controllers. Most of the houses have tube heats. The ones that don't have direct spark brooders in them. All the houses are equipped with tunnel ventilation and tunnel fans. They have an incinerator and a compost shed for the dead disposal. There's 2 108 kW generators on site. Well water with city backup. Has a natural gas farm. Has a stacking shed. All new 5K daylight LED light bulbs in the Siloam Springs School District.